Welcome back to Sailing Helios. In this episode we leave the lovely town of Gaios and head down to Antipaxos, where we find the most beautiful turquoise water.
And then we have a great Spinnaker run to Preveza.
And from Preveza there it opens out to the beautiful Ambracian Gulf and we visit the lovely little town of Vonitsa. I hope you enjoy. But stay tuned because we've got some really exciting news coming up.
Oh, hectic morning on the boat this morning. What are you guys up to?
We're going to fill up the gas bottle. We have 2 gas bottles. So one of them's empty. We can't waste too much time before filling it up because if the other one runs out, we can't cook because we've got no other means of cooking. So we've been out of gas for about 10 days. And it usually lasts 2 or 3 weeks. So while we're in town, we'll take an empty gas bottle and hopefully they'll swap it so we can get away this morning. But if they want to refill, I reckon we give a pass because that usually takes the day.
Yeah, but
we'll see.
We could go out and come back tonight. Yeah.
Plan B.
We'll see.
And we need that. We love our tummy.
And we need some fruit. And he needs 7-Up.
Mario and his Sprite.
Hopefully they'll swap out this disgusting rusty one. We had brand new ones. They didn't exchange and gave us this crappy one. See you.
Take care. Enjoy your walk.
See you.
See you, yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Here's some coffee.
Yeah.
I got rice. I got Mario's Sprite. Wow.
Thank you, bye.
The supermarket. What's the price like? Are they? Oh, I don't know. Oh, it is too. Wow.
Got the gas. 4.2 kilo bottle rather than 3 kilos, so that's good.
And it was €15. It was 12 the other day in Preveza for a 3.5, aren't we? Or 3?
3, yeah.
So, happy with the price and we're happy it's not roasted.
Yeah, I'm happy. Yeah, happy it's a bit bigger. It'll last a bit longer. Just got to make sure it fits in the gas locker.
Yeah. Oh, yes.
Yeah, it's when we get this on that's going to be the trick. We'll see. So Jude, tell me as soon as it's free. Okay? You confident getting it off? Yeah, well, we'll just let Mario get his line in first. Okay, free. Okay, Jude. Right.
Where are we off to?
We're off to Antipaxos. So as long as Paxos and Antipaxos doesn't come together, we won't have any explosion and they won't disappear. Sorry, a little bit of scientific humour. which is not far. It's, I don't know, it's about 3 or 4 nautical miles south of us, and there's a couple of lovely bays right at the top. Hopefully we can get in there. Some of them have been buoyed off, so hopefully that's not the case when we get there, but we'll see. So this is one of the least obvious things when you're trying to find somewhere to anchor. Just over this area yesterday, there's a lot of big tourist boats that come in and go stern to. It's actually noted on my charts that you shouldn't anchor over there because of this reason. But it's obviously not on everyone's charts, and there's quite a few boats now anchored in that area. Luckily, one of the smaller boats has just arrived, so I think we'll fit in okay. But it's not going to be long until 2 or 3 of the other very large ones turn up. Not sure I'd want to anchor over there anyway. If you could, we even go stern too, because they discharge about 200 people into the water, and yeah, all swimming around your boat. So I'd rather be over this side.
You can always line it up again if the lifting up and holding it together at the top doesn't work.
Yeah.
Well, that was easier than I thought.
I'll hold these corners and you...
I might use my hand at first. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yep. Great.
Yes, we put a sign on the boom, www.sailinghelios.com, and as you can imagine, there's a bit of work that we've had to do to get the website up and going, and we're really excited about it.
Yeah, I hope you can have a look. It is where you get access to our companion channel. So we've developed a channel, it's similar to Patreon, but it gives you a lot more.
Yeah, so we're really excited about being able to put extra content on there that we really don't feel that we can squeeze into our YouTube videos. So, well, real-time updates, some more in-depth things on maintenance and boat life.
Things like passage planning, and even when we're underway, now that we have Starlink, we can keep you updated when we're out in the oceans.
And some life tips from Dr. Jude.
Yep.
She really is a doctor.
Yep. We'd love you to join Sailing Helios crew. As creators, we'd really appreciate your support. It'd mean a lot to us.
All right, back to the episode.
Oh, what are we up to next?
We're about to put the Spinnaker up.
Yay. Every day is a good day with the Spinnaker. I am.
Good. Just need a bit of bang on.
Yep.
You ready, Jude? Okay, you pull the tack out. Yep. All right, we can go for a hoist. Yep. Yeah, I think so. Hang on.
Yep, feels hard.
Yeah, okay. Alright, you ready, Mario? Yep. Okay, here we go. Start taking it in. Start pulling it in. Yeah, that's enough. Just release it a bit.
Release it a bit.
Release it.
Whoa.
Yep, hold it there.
Life on deck.
We've been travelling for about 3 hours maybe? More?
Well, 4.5.
4.5 already.
Wow, that's quick.
We read our books, got the Spinnaker up,
I thought it was shorter.
we had lunch, yeah. Be a nice cruisy trip.
Spinnaker looks massive. Right, when you get around the other side of the nose.
Yeah, it feels massive when I winch it up too, honey.
Reading some good books. I'm just listening to the waves and relaxing.
We're going to drop the Spinnaker soon.
Okay. We're flying along. We're doing 7 knots speed over ground at 16 knots off to wind speed.
With the Spinnaker on. What we're going to do, Mario, is we're going to release the main out until it's at the stays, and then what I want you to do on the autopilot, it's set at wind angle at the moment, like 157. I want a wind angle about 7. And I want you to set it on there rather than steer it. When the sock comes down, I can't pull it all the way down unless I get the ends close together.
Right.
Okay. That means you need to release the tack.
Yep,
The one on there.
black with the green, with the red
Yep.
flag.
Yep. And you need to release this. you only probably need to release it about 5 or 6 metres and it's going to be enough. Right, there's enough sheet out there. Once I've got that sock down, just tie a knot in there so you don't lose the end of it.
Okay.
Yep. And then Jude, once I've got the sock down, you can just start dropping.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
So I'm just going to go forward it into here. I just need to get the bag ready. I need to get the black line ready that it's going to be okay. And then I'll give the signal. What are you going to do?
I'll change the angle to 70.
Yeah.
For the autopilot.
Yeah.
Wait for you guys to start and releasing the Spinnaker sheet.
So first thing, release your main all the way out.
I will release the main.
Yep. So we don't jibe. Taya, I don't want you out of the cockpit because if you go up the foredeck, we get accidental jibe and get hit by the boom. Okay.
All right.
Yep.
All right.
Might be a good idea to put your life jacket on anyway, just in case.
Releasing main.
Yeah.
This one?
Go down.
Down.
Fine.
But you did jibe.
Can't do it.
I had you do.
Oh.
Release it. Don't. I do it. Don't worry.
I'll do this. I'll do this. You go and help me.
Okay.
Yep. Perfect.
Alright, what course are we on now?
150. We should be at 100.
Alright. We might do a tack jibe. Do you know how to do that?
No.
Okay, so get on the main sheet.
Is that open? Latch? Should be open.
It's fine.
What?
That's it.
Thanks.
20 knots of breeze now.
About time.
Good job, everyone.
Because they were spaced out, and then we're like, and we stopped.
I think we're right in the middle of the boat open, so we're pretty fine.
So we want to be slightly more to
To the starboard, right?
Yep. So we want to be. Yeah.
So after sailing with the Spinnaker on, there's a number of things to do after the sail is ready. One of those is to remove all the sheets, the extra sheets that you used to fly this way. This one being the Spinnaker sheet.
And I'm packing up all the things we use to protect our stuff from the sun. So these are things like for the motor control. And then I do what Richard says. Gybe halyard. Gybe halyard is, and these just protect the instruments from sun. And then all the canvas work that I've made. Lots of things. Yep. We have winch covers, which have elastic on the inside to hold over there, and then it just sits, so it sits nice and smoothly. And these are things I invented, which is a little cover for the clutches. It goes on like this. And I just pass this line under the lines and tighten up.
Yeah, but you don't want to eat it.
Yeah.
Good evening.
Do you like this spot?
It's beautiful. I love the sunset. Got it.
I don't know if you know. And then we've got the other end of the line. I thought they were longer fingers.
What a difference a couple of weeks, well, not really a couple of weeks, but the time of the day. We were here a bit over a week ago,
Yeah.
maybe 10 days ago, and earlier in the day, and it was pretty deserted, but as you can see here, it's quite packed.
Wakes up at night, everyone's out. Still got kids swimming, kids
Yeah.
playing, grandma's out.